With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. So now we're going to see this question. The question says that a car is moving with a velocity of 72 km per hour, stops its engine just before ascending an inclined road. 25% of its energy is wasted on overcoming friction. Then the car rises to a height of what? So basically over here, what is given that we are going to use the conservation of energy over here in this question. But I'll explain you firstly what is happening in the question. So basically over here in the question, this is the inclined road, okay, and there is a car. Just before starting this road, what happens is that this car stops its engine, okay, and what will happen is that it is going at a speed, means velocity of 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour, okay. Over here, if we take the ground as the reference point, that means what? At the ground, basically, potential energy is what? It is basically zero, but kinetic energy is maximum. Okay, and over here at some point where the car will stop, over here potential energy will be equal to maximum and kinetic energy will become zero because the car has stopped. Okay, so basically over here this is what we are going to follow. Also it is given that 25% of the energy is wasted on friction. That means what? Firstly we have to find initial energy. Okay, so firstly velocity is basically equal to 72 kilometer per hour. That means what? Over here we have to convert it in meter per second because our options are given in meter per second. So we have to multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, meter per second. So 18 4 times will be 72. Okay, you can see. So over here what will come? This will be equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, now what we'll do? Now we'll find out the kinetic energy initially. Okay, so kinetic energy initial will be equal to what? Half into m into v square. Okay, so over here, what is the mass of the car? Mass of the car is not given and it is not required also. So basically, half into m into this 20 square. Okay, or this will become 20 square. Okay, and the lost energy. Okay, lost energy is equal to 25%. That means what? Over here, the remaining energy will be what? Remaining energy will be equal to 100 minus 25. That will be 75%. That means what? Over here we have to consider 75% of this energy. Means now kinetic energy initial will become what? Kinetic energy initial will become equal to 75 by 100, which is the fractional value, okay, into this will become what? This will become 200 m. Okay, this will become 400. I'll explain you how. This will become 400 divided by 2 into m. So this will become 200 m. Okay. Now what we have to do is that firstly, this is the thing. So now this is what? This is 3 by 4 into 200. So this will come out to be, and m is also there, 150 m. Okay. So we found out kinetic energy initial. Also we have been told car rises to a height. We don't have to find this length basically. We don't have to find this. We need to find this. Okay. That means what? Over here we will manage it. That is what? Kinetic energy initial must be equal to potential energy final because all energy is converted. Okay. So initial kinetic energy becomes this because in friction something is lost. Okay. So over here this will become 150 m. Potential energy is given by m into g into h. So over here m and m will get cancelled quite easily. That's why m was not required. So now h will be equal to what? 150 upon g. So we'll take the value of g as 10. So this will be 150 by 10. It will come out to be 15 meters. Okay. This is our final answer. Got it? So if we see our options, the answer is obviously option number D. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.